So last class we discussed about Git integration and those steps. So we need to look for config Jenkins job to trigger the execution when a change is pushed to the Git repository. Like PoleSCM we discussed about, but to discuss about remote scripts, Git hooks and GitHub Webhooks, we need to see that today. Okay, so let me log into the server.
That 8080 is the port number to access Jenkins.
Correct, there's a fixed port number, but if you want, you can change that. I'll show that at the end of the class of the Jenkins. If at all you want to run a different port, how to run, I'll show that.
Okay.
But most probably people will use default one only. In case the default is running with a different application or something means, then they can change to any additional, I mean, your choice, any port number we can able to grant.
Sir, if you
Hello? Yeah, Mohd. Mohd, you asking something?
sir, if we add port number 8080, but it's not loading, sir.
Okay. Not loading means Mohd. We have one solution here. Let me show that. What you have to do means ps minus u double x pipe grep Jenkins. If you run this now, you can see the output something like this. If it is running, then it's fine. If it's not running, then it's a problem.
Sir, it is running, but it's not loading, sir.
It's not loading. Okay. This is the command first we need to try. Second one. Uh, so we have username password. We can enter and we can log in. We'll check Amod after the class. Okay. If the server is active, you can keep it in the running state. Okay. Then after the class, we'll discuss.
Okay,
What
sir.
is the error? We'll verify. Manage Jenkins. So here configure we need to go. That means we need to update the IP address so that it will be faster. If not, it's very slow. Okay, come little bit down. This is the URL we need to change. Apply, save. Done. Let me open this one now. So configure. We are discussing this remote URL one, right? So remote URL. Is that remote URL? This one. Let it be this remote URL. So I need to prepare that URL once again with the token is equal to token name. So token is equal to token name means number 1 2 3 4 5 we need to put. I think 1 2 3 4 5 given. Then put from this. This is the URL. Jenkins URL replace it with this URL. We'll remove one slash. If I enter this, now job should run. Let me verify. See, 7th job is running today's date. Once it's running completes, then we'll go for another one.
Yeah, here on what basis we are running?
Sorry, come again.
On what criteria we are running? What criteria we are running?
So this one, for example, you can think like this. You want to make some automation. I mean, the Jenkins job should run with some script. Okay, you're writing a shell script. Okay, using shell script, you want to trigger the job. So far, you experienced many factors like poll SM you tried, then build periodically you tried, build now you tried. Correct. So,
Yeah.
but any of the place we can able to trigger the Jenkins job by a script.
No.
No, this method we can able to use to trigger from the script. This remote
Okay,
URL.
so where we are typing the script here?
I'll gonna type now.
Okay.
This is the
Now,
first place.
before typing itself, that job is executing now. That is
Correct,
my doubt.
correct. Correct. So I tried with manual step. I entered the URL and I tried this. Is working or fine and I didn't verify, right? That's the reason.
Yeah.
It is working. Now I'm going to write a script. I won't execute. I won't run this URL. I won't enter this URL next time. Why?
Okay.
I want to write a shell script, right? That shell script is going to trigger the job.
Okay.
Okay. Now it's run successfully. You can see. Then go to configure. Here you can see GitHub hook trigger for SCM polling. We can check this box. This one and this one both should be checked. Okay. Then apply and save. Then here administrator is there, right? We can go to credentials option and we need to generate the tokens. We need to generate the tokens. Credentials. Not credentials, sorry. Secrets. security. Security, sorry. Security, we need to go, and here is the tokens. See, add new token. So here you can give the default name admin, then generate. This is the token. We can copy this token like this and apply and save. Okay, so before that, I need to see the repository is cloned or not. I didn't clone the repository. Let me clone the repository first. I clone the repository vi. First I need to get into this path cd space .ssh. Sorry, not dot git. Inside the repo dot git hooks hooks. There are some files will reflect. Here I am going to create one file pre-commit. Enter hyphen inside. Here I need to write a shell script. Exclamatory hash slash bin bash curl minus username is admin shoot semicolon. That means what is a username? Mine is admin only, right? Admin username, and I didn't copy the token, seems to be. Let me enter the token once again. Add new token. Delete the token first. Old one deleted. Admin generate. This is the token. Copy this token. After the admin, you paste the token like this. Then you apply and save here. Next, after this URL is there, a remote script URL. This URL we need to paste. That means what it will going to happen means the script will use this user and this particular token to trigger this particular job. Okay. Now we need to add some echo command, print command. I mean to print statement. This git hooks trigger from git repo and before push. But make sure guys, this script you guys has to change few parameters. You guys understood that, right? The parameters nothing but these things. I mean to say like what we can say that token you need to change. The file name vi slash vi dot git slash hooks and under this pre hyphen commit commit is a file name under the repository. This is the script. Next, post the script. We need to change the permission. chmod 777 commit. Execute permission we need to grant. So using this, I'm giving the execute permission like this. Now done. Execute permission is done. Now what I can do means, if all good, cd space double dot slash double dot need to come out of this and to stay here. Then I can create some files, or I can modify some files. I'll modify some files. Echo modifying files. Now add the file. Remember guys, I won't push that. Okay, I'm just committing this. After commit, this job should run. Commit is done, but didn't push that. Okay, let me verify the job is running or not. Able to see guys, job 8, it was started, expires in 20 seconds. Now you guys understood what is the significance of the remote URL.
So in this commit, like in this type, a little bit different from previous methods. So we are just writing shell script for executing the job. Is that correct?
Correct. That shell script will trigger when you do a commit. How many times you do
Okay.
commit, that many times the job will be triggered.
Okay.
If you executed 10 commits, 10 times job will run. Each commit one time.
Okay.
But remember, you didn't push the
So
changes.
okay. So every time we need to modify the file.
Correct. See, till commit only I did. Didn't run the command push command by any time. Okay, that's a git hooks. But this one no need of right now. I'm deleting this rm minus rf dot git slash hooks pre commit. I removed. Now again go to configure. So build triggers. I'll uncheck this option. Now triggers not required. Using GitHub hook trigger SCM polling is the right. Using this, I mean using webhooks, how to trigger the job, I'm gonna show that now. Okay, another method. So can you guys see this settings here? Settings, webhooks, delete. I didn't remember my password, so I had to reset that, but reset is not happening. Okay, Amod, can you do one thing? Can you share your screen if you're in front of the laptop so that I can guide you to do this? Anyway, you need to fix that your Jenkins issue also, right? So go to this Jenkins Amod first server. So here you're saying that on that. Okay, Jenkins is running enable feature Java. Okay, curl if config.me, take the public IP, copy that IP, and paste it in the browser with the 8080. Continue to the site.
Sir, in this, it's not coming. If I can click continue to site, it's not going.
Okay. Ping me the IP address. Let me try myself. Okay, got the point. Go to AWS. In the down, can you see security? Come a little bit down. Wait. Can you see the blue color one? SG minus 0FF. That one. Click on that. Edit inbound rules. Add rule. Let's do one. Alt
Also,
can give. HTTPS is there, right. Instead of HTTPS,
sir.
it's the last one. Last already already. Custom TCP. All traffic. All traffic. Custom is right in the right side. Anywhere IPv4 you can add. Then save it. You refresh the console now. Now, there's a root path is there, right? In the
Yes,
above
sir.
flooding. Copy that command and paste it in the server with the cat command. Cat space that path.
So where, sir?
You can see that the box will be there, correct? Above the box. That command. Cat space. You can paste that command. Enter. That password you can copy. That's the initial password. You paste that value there. Continue. Install suggested plugins first one. Okay, done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here, can you see left side? There's a built-in node is there. Down. Left side for you. Left side. Offline is reflecting. See, click on that. There. What is that option? Bring this node back online. Click on that. Left side configure option is there. Click on configure. Come little bit down. Disk wipeout. Disk monitoring thresholds are there. Right? Click on that. Every place you can give 200 M, 200 M, 200 M like that.
The environment variables. Should I click?
Not required. Save it. Now bring this node back to online. You can click on. Click on bring this node. Now it's online. Left side dashboard. Okay, now I think seems good. New item. Maybe we can give CI/CD pipeline or something is the name. Maybe Git project or something you can give. CI Git project or something. Take freestyle project first one. Click on OK. Description you can write the same one, CI project or something. Discard old builds first one. 1 day, 4 logs. The next down, there you can give 4 logs. Left side source code management is there. Click on source code management. Configure. Source code management. Git. Here you need to add the Git URL. Okay, you log into the GitHub. Okay, open any one of the repository. It's private one. Wait for a while. Go to your Jenkins server, AWS, where you logged in. Here only. Type SSH minus keygen. No space. Single word. SSH minus KEYGEN. Enter. Enter. Cat space dot SSH. Dot SSH. Slash star.pem. Star.pem. Sorry, not pem. Sorry. Pub. Pub. Copy that value. No, complete value. Mint like no space, nothing. Right click and copy. Go to the right side top corner icon is there, right? SSH and settings. Settings. SSH and GPG keys. New key. Jenkins key, and you can add the key, this one. Correct is required. You title you add it SSH key. Sorry, get Jenkins key. Add SSH key. Now left side there are 3 lines are there. You can see top corner 3 lines left side. Om. Now take any one of the repository. Click on the repository name. Any one of the repository name. Click on code. Click on code.
So it's private. Shall I click, sir?
Okay, it's okay. But you already configured, right? It's okay. Click on code. SSH. Copy that link. Go to the Jenkins. Not here. Here also need to clone. Git space clone space. Type the command. Git space clone space. Paste that URL. CLONE. E is missing. Paste that URL. Enter. Git is not there. Yum install git. -y. Now you run the upper arrow command and clone it. Yes. Now go to Jenkins web UI and paste this URL over there. Then come little bit down. Triggers are there at build triggers left side. Build triggers. Configure build triggers. You select git hook at SCM polling. Then left side build steps. Left side build steps. Add build step. Execute shell. Last class I copy pasted the script, right? Shell script. You copy paste the shell script in the Skype. Just right click on that. It will copy. No. I think that much only copied now. Full you need to copy. Uh. So apply and save. Apply and save. Okay. Now apply and save. Okay. Now we'll do one thing. Go to GitHub. Go to GitHub. Go to GitHub. Settings. Above settings. Not that one. Repository settings only there. You the repository which you clone. Above top you can see settings. Webhooks. Settings. Webhooks. Add webhook. There you can paste Jenkins URL. Go to Jenkins, copy paste the URL. Not full, till 8080. Paste it over there. GitHub, write down GitHub -webhooks. Not there. There only continuation. GitHub -webhook -webhook. HOOK hook slash. Now enable SS certification, disable not recommended by default. SS is delivering payloads. SS verification not required seems to be. Come down. You have a save option. Is there save it? We'll wait for a while. Refresh it once. Okay. Now do one thing. Go to code. Left side code is there, right? Here only. Left side code is there. Take any one of the file. Edit the file. Click on the file name. You will get edit symbol. Right side edit symbol. A last second one. That one only. Click on that. Write something. Whatever you thought you can write that. Maybe something. Then commit the changes. Commit. Now we go back to Jenkins and wait for a while. The first job should run now. So far you didn't trigger any job, correct? So within a while, see, it's already started. But who triggered this? Git hooks webhooks trigger this. Click on that down arrow is there, right? Console output. Console output. You can verify that who triggered that, it will gonna show. Started by GitHub, push by your name, then running as a system. You can verify the shell script. What are the things we added? This everything is working fine. What job is running? What is the job number? Like this, many things are there. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
That the webhooks. Then, if you think now, you are the developer. You wrote the code in the Git or GitHub. Correct. After you add commit push, if you do na, one more thing we'll do. Go to the Jenkins server, like where you clone the repository, right? Go there. So here, get into the repo, do ls. We can find the folder, right? Cd space that folder name. My AWS project. Cd space my AWS project. Enter. Now here you do one thing. Create some new files. Create some new files. Press upper arrow and one more file you can create with different file name. Now enter get a space, add a space, my get a space, add a space star ಅಥವಾ minus capital A. Enter.
Before this commit command, if we check git status, it will show, right? It will that modifying files.
So commit done. Okay. Space. Here it's failing. Correct. Do one thing. You need to give a name for that. Can you copy that command? About two commands are there at git config commands. Not that one. In the outcome. One after the other. First copy name one, then you copy email one. Okay. First copy paste that and don't enter. You change the email. You put your email address. Enter. Now git space commit command is there. Press the upper arrow and run that command. Enter. Now you do git push. After you run the git push command, right? Then go back to Jenkins window, push push. Oh, it's sorry. Git pull you do first because we did the pull and we didn't done anything, right? Do pull first. Pull pull. Okay. Only to seconds. Okay. Do one thing. Git push command is there, right? Upper arrow. Git push space hyphen force. Enter. Okay. Now immediately go back to Jenkins and stay there. The job should run now immediately. One step back. One more step back. See, it's already ran. Open it and verify console output. And also you can see that the files what you created right from there, those files should reflect here. If you could not able to see means do one thing, left side one step back. One step back. Wait. Where is that? Changes. These two files you created, correct? Those two files are came up.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's about the GitHub Webhooks. In the next class, what we are going to discuss means we have a parameters will be there, we have a environment variables will be there, then we have a upstream downstream jobs will be there. Those are the other things we're going to discuss in the next class. Okay. Hope it's clear for other groups also. Hope other people can able to try themselves. Okay, if any questions or confusions, you guys can reach out to me about any time. Okay. Cool then. Thank you so much. We'll catch up tomorrow.